Have you ever wondered how the future of technology will look like? Welcome to the world of quantum computing, a concept that sounds straight out of a science fiction novel, yet it's as real as the device you're using right now. This isn't just another tech buzzword, it's a revolution that's redefining the boundaries of computing. Quantum computing operates on principles that seem to defy logic, principles like superposition and entanglement. Picture a coin that's both heads and tails at the same time, or two particles light years apart that behave as though they're connected. Sounds confusing? Well, that's the beauty of quantum computing. It challenges our understanding of the world. This isn't just about faster computers. It's about transforming industries, solving problems previously thought unsolvable, and opening up new frontiers. Imagine if you could perform tasks 1,000,000 times faster than your current computer. That's the power of quantum computing. So you might ask, how does quantum computing affect us in our daily lives? Well, let's dive into some real-life examples to illuminate this. Quantum computing, with its immense computational power, is already making waves in various sectors. Take medicine, for example. The process of drug discovery is a complex one, often compared to finding a needle in a haystack. Quantum computers, however, can analyze and simulate molecules at a level far beyond the scope of classical computers. This opens up the possibility of discovering new drugs or understanding the effects of existing ones in a more precise and efficient manner. Then there's the finance sector. Portfolio optimization, a key aspect of financial modeling, can be a daunting task for classical computers, especially when dealing with large, diverse portfolios. Quantum computing, with its ability to process multiple possibilities simultaneously, can optimize portfolios in a way that maximizes returns and minimizes risk, all at a speed that's simply out of reach for traditional computing. And let's not forget about climate modeling. The intricacies of our planet's climate are so complex that even the most powerful classical computers struggle to simulate them accurately. But quantum computers have the potential to model these complexities with a degree of detail and accuracy that was previously unimaginable. This could lead to better predictions of weather patterns, more effective disaster management, and a deeper understanding of climate change. These are just a few examples, but they illustrate the potential of quantum computing to solve complex problems that classical computers struggle with. Imagine, for instance, a world where we can predict natural disasters with pinpoint accuracy, or where we can customize medications to an individual's genetic makeup. These examples highlight how quantum computing can revolutionize various sectors and improve our lives. Quantum computing is not just about crunching numbers at incredible speeds, it's about unlocking potential. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It's about stepping into a future where we can solve some of the world's biggest problems, not in hundreds of years, but in our lifetime. But where are we today in the journey of quantum computing? Let's take a moment to ponder. Quantum computing, a realm once considered purely theoretical, has evolved into a tangible reality. The likes of Google, IBM, and Microsoft are now at the forefront, investing heavily in research and development to push the boundaries of what's possible. Google's quantum supremacy announcement in 2019 was a landmark moment, showcasing a quantum computer outperforming a classical computer in a specific task. IBM, not to be outdone, has been making strides with its quantum computers available for the public to experiment with via the cloud. Yet it's not all smooth sailing. Quantum computing still faces significant challenges. From the need for extreme cooling to maintain qubits to the hurdle of quantum error correction, these complexities are the puzzles that today's brightest minds are striving to solve. While we have made significant strides in quantum computing, we still have a long way to go to fully harness its potential. So what does all this mean for you and me? Well, let's take a moment to look back at what we've discovered. Quantum computing, an intriguing and complex field, holds immense potential to revolutionize various sectors. From healthcare to finance to technology and beyond, the impact of quantum computing is vast. We saw how real-life examples are already surfacing, showcasing the impressive capabilities of this technology. It's not just a concept in a research lab, but a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. And yet we're just scratching the surface. The current state of quantum computing is still in its infancy, and there's a whole universe of possibilities yet to be explored. The importance of continued research and development in this field cannot be overstated. As we delve deeper into the quantum world, we're bound to stumble upon new findings that could change our lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of quantum computing, one thing is certain: the future of technology is exciting and full of limitless possibilities. Are you intrigued by quantum computing? Do you enjoy diving deep into the mysteries of technology and the universe? If you've made it this far, we're guessing the answer is a resounding yes. And we're thrilled to have you on this journey with us. But we need your help to keep the momentum going. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support allows us to continue making videos like this one, exploring the complexities and potentials of emerging technologies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Let's spread the word about quantum computing and the exciting future it promises. And last but not least, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our future uploads. As we continue to delve into the quantum world together, who knows what fascinating discoveries lie ahead. Thank you for your support. And remember, the future of technology is not just in the hands of scientists and engineers, but in ours as well. Let's take this quantum leap forward together.